It's a quick video on installing Dbase 3. This is run on emulator, so it may be a little funky, but there was lots of pitfalls in this, and I'm not even sure if I did it the right way. I eventually did get it to run, but the documentation was not clear. It aborts the install and says you're supposed to use a command to pick the drive, which I couldn't read that fast enough, so I ran it again and tried to read it again, and I realized it was still sitting on the screen behind me. So I moved Norton Commander out of the way and tried this, but I realized I'm in the C drive, not the B drive, so then that didn't work. That didn't work, so then we switched to A, and then B. Try that, it didn't work. Tried a bunch of stuff, none of that works. Read the README, read the help file. Did finally get this to work, which is the ID program, which is for like registering the product. Did that. Not sure if I did this in the right order or not. And if you run it from the Dbase executable, it just runs. And it seems to work fine. So I just closed it. Make a directory with Norton Commander. Realize I made it in the wrong drive, so then we have to delete it. I'm going to make a new directory in the right place this time. This is where running things from an emulator with a screen recorder is a little bit different from running it through the real thing. But I had to restart the whole system to make it re-recognize another disk, because I had disk 2 instead of disk 1 and I didn't want to switch over for some reason. So basically, we're just going to go down through with Norton Commander and copy all these over. This went significantly faster than you would have if you'd had to copy each file individually through DOS commands. I know there's a way to copy this disk onto this directory, but I was unable to figure it out and did not have my manual handy when I did this. So just to get it done, I ran through and just did it this way. It didn't take that long and worked pretty well. Switched over to disk 2 and copied those files. There was, I think, 2 or 3 files there that we didn't actually need. Now, it just seems to work now. I'm not sure. Obviously, we're running it off the C drive, like it says down there at the bottom. But I don't know, haven't actually tried to make a database yet. I do intend to use this, do a run through on how you use it and stuff, but I need a little more experience with it before we get rolling there. Let me know if it was just user error with the installer down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.